So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes, and now this will come up. And now once you run this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. You want to run this scan. We can run it in the background as you complete the next steps in the video, so you want to minimize this. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you run this, you want to copy and paste the file path, which will be down below in the description. Just highlight this, do Ctrl+C to copy it, come back to registry editor. Now you want to click right here where it says computer, and then do Ctrl+V to paste it, and then click on enter. And now this will come up. You want to find attributes. If you don't have it, don't worry, I'll show you how to get it in a second. But once you find attributes, you want to double click on it. Make sure that you have the value data on 2. So in this box, type in the number 2 and then click on OK. If you don't have attributes, then you want to right click on the white space and then click on new and then click on dword for 8-bit value. You want to call this attributes. Spell it the same way how I did with the same capitals and lowercase and then click on enter. I already have attributes, that's why I got this error. But again, double click on attributes, make the value data 2, and then click on OK. Next, we're going to open up the command prompt, and by now the sfc scan now scan should be completed. So now you want to type in PowerCFG --restore default schemes, and then click on enter. And now for the last command, you want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health, and then click on enter. And you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. Once that's been done, for the last step, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.